with a shiny red truck and a big yellow hose. Sliding down the pole, he's fast as can be. When there's a fire, he's the hero you see. Fireman, fireman, what do you do? I put out the fires and help people too. With my helmet on and boots so tall, I rush to the rescue, I'll save you all. Sirens are blaring, lights flash bright. Zooming through town, what a sight. Fires are crackling, smoke fills the air, but don't you worry, I'm always there. Hoses go whoosh, spraying the water, putting out flames, making it hotter. Stay back, everyone, let me do my job. Fireman's here, no need to sob. When the fire's out, we cheer and shout. Thanks, fireman, you're what it's about. Then he tells us stories, funny and wild, of brave little heroes, just like a child. Fireman, fireman, can you show us how? Sure, let's practice, let's do it now. Stop, drop, and roll is the way to be. If your clothes catch fire, follow me. He brings his big truck, it's shiny and red, with ladders and tools, just like he said. Climb on up, it's a real fun ride. Feel the wind as we zoom with pride. In the firehouse, there's so much to see. Fire helmets and gear, come look with me. We learn about safety, it's really cool. Fireman's here to teach us the rules. With water balloons, we splash and play, practicing teamwork in a fun, silly way. Don't forget to aim for the target, my friend. Teamwork and laughter, that's how we play. When the day is done and the sun goes down, fireman waves with a smile, not a frown. Thanks for the fun, you all did great. Remember to be safe and don't tempt fate. So let's give a cheer for the fireman bold, with stories of courage and heart made of gold. Brave and funny with a heart so true. Fireman, we're grateful for you. So if you see smoke or hear a loud beep, call for the fireman, don't worry, don't weep. He'll come running faster than light to keep us all safe and make it all right.